Hello guys, I'm Linda. I'm the old bird. Down on the farm today, I want to give you part 2 of making Mama's bonnets. Now let me lower the camera so you can see my machine. There we go. I'm at my crafting table and I wanted to show you the next step to creating the bonnet. After all of the pieces are cut, then you assemble the brim. Next, you attach the brim to the bonnet back, and these are the ties. They are sewn on when you're adding the brim and the bonnet together. And I do that with this strip of fabric right here. I have it all pinned, and let's attach it. I hope you can see it. I'm not good with cameras in positioning them, but I hope you can see it. And I'll explain it to you as I go. I'm just using a straight stitch, stitching this on. And this will create a nice finished edge, and I'll show it to you shortly, and you'll be able to see it. Hope you're having an amazing day. It is gorgeous on the farm today. I'll be going out shortly, getting 2 orders, checking to see for 2 orders of rosemary and thyme. And I'll get up early in the morning and I'll cut it, package it, and ship it all the same morning. But I always check the day before. And you have to take your time and stitch this. Now, you can baste this prior to stitching it. You can baste it. Can you see it? There we go. You can see it a little better. You can baste this down. I just don't. And if you choose to, you can have the back part of your bonnet, the poof part, larger. That part is so important with a garden bonnet because it allows you to have air, and it gives you a nice little breeze area, because you know how hot it gets when you're gardening. It gets very hot. I was in the Girl Scouts growing up, and we used to take bike hikes. And I was always at a disadvantage being a plus size girl. But I'm telling you, on those bike hikes, Mama would make me a bonnet, and I was the envy of everybody, even our leaders. When you show up in a bonnet, people tend to laugh, or people tend to say, "Where are you going with that old time bonnet?" That's what they used to tell me. And you know, it's useless to say I'm allergic to the sun and mama made it and everything. So you just kind of smile and take it until you get out in that heat. And I'm pedaling away with my bonnet. Bit cooler than the rest. Now, once this is on, you still have work to do. But you're almost at the end. Oh, I ran out of bobbin thread, guys. Look at there. I'm sorry. But let me show you. When you flip it over, you see, that's the gathers. That's the brim. And you see when you finished, your ties are attached. And this strip goes all the way around, and that's what's going to be used for your elastic. Now, I ran out of bobbin thread, so let me show you. I have some here available to share with you. This one, I hope to finish today. That's the brim. This is the poof part in the back of the bonnet. And you see, this is what we were stitching on. Let me turn it inside out. There we go. You see this band, kind of like a band on the inside? It goes all the way around, all the way around. This is a strap. And you see, that makes the casing for your elastic in the back. And I insert my label right in the back. And it's not exactly centered. And that elastic causes the bonnet to stay on. And sometimes you don't have to use the ties. It's up to you. And this is the way you wear it. You put it on, like so. This elastic goes on the back of your neck back here. And if you don't need as much of the brim, you just simply fold the brim back. Now that's my husband walking by. You fold the brim back, and you see you put the bonnet on and wear it like that. Now if you need more sun protection, you just open the brim, and the brim comes out further out, and you'll have more sun protection. Now let me show you one that's totally finished. Let me bring the camera forward, and you can see this one. This one is totally finished. Here we go. I call this my Route 66. I was finishing it up this morning with my group, my quilting group. I'm learning to quilt. You see the quilting on the brim? This brim, that's my husband again. This brim is quilted. I love it. Now, Mama never quilted her brims, but this is a brim that's quilted. That's the poof in the back. These are the gathers up here. And when you have it on, it will look like so. These are the straps. Now, I haven't pressed it. And let me show you the inside. I haven't finished inserting the elastic. But this is that band that I was just stitching on. And you see, that gives you a finish underneath. And this is what you'll see if you look up wearing your bonnet. That's the elastic back. Let me turn it around. And you see it makes it comfortable for you to wear. There you go. That's Mama's bonnet. I hope you enjoyed. Let me bring my camera up. I hope you enjoyed hearing the stories about the bonnets Mama made for me. I enjoyed telling them to you. And if you decide to give it a try and make one, shoot me pictures. Let me know that you're making a bonnet. I'm everywhere. Subscribe to my channel. Like this video if you liked it. Make a comment. Ask me any questions. I'd love to hear from you, or just simply say hello. If you're interested in purchasing one of my bonnets, go to my Facebook page at the Old Bird Farms. Message me and tell me, I'd like to get a bonnet. And I'll tell you if this one, Route 66, is still available, or one of these that I'm working on now. And you can pay me right through PayPal. Have a blessed day, guys. Life is so short. Force some time to smile. Thank you for joining me. Bye-bye.